Jaggery is a traditional Indian sweetener prepared using sugarcane. Farmers make jaggery in their own farms using juice obtained after crushing sugarcane with a crusher. The main steps in jaggery making process as follows. Generally, 3-roller mills used for juice extraction. It is driven by electrical motor or diesel engine. This extraction of juice is in the range of 60 to 70%. After extraction of juice, suspended matters are removed by being using different types of chemical additives, including calcium hydroxide, sodium hydrosulfite, seashells, baking soda, castor or coconut oil, and orange red powder, etc. The main purpose behind using these additives is to remove impurities easily and give it a desired color. The clear syrup then gets concentrated, and after the required consistency is reached, it's transferred to another pan right at the mouth of the furnace. Now, the gooey stuff is shaped into various forms and then dried. This process takes about an hour. Finally, the process of packing jaggery starts and ready to export for consumption.